Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language within the Outlets Rush game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Outlets Rush game on your device. And once the game is fully loaded, you will directly be able to start enjoying your game. Now, if you notice that the language within the game is a different one from which you understand, then you can change this language by tapping on the gear icon at the top left corner. This will take you into the settings page from which you can click on the language drop-down menu and choose from the list of various different languages that are available for the game. Just tap on your desired language and it will be applied to the game right away. You can come back to this menu and change your language at any time that you wish in order to enjoy the game within your preferred language. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the language within the Outlets Rush game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.